What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I'm going to show you guys one of the product I received from Be Quiet. Now big shout out to Be Quiet for sending this brand new mid-tower Be Quiet pure base 500 case to me so I can basically test and share with you guys my thoughts. Now today real quick I'll just give you guys quick spec rundown, and part 2 you guys will see a black and white X570 build, so make sure you stay tuned. You can pick up this white case with tempered glass for around $90 or a base model without the tempered glass for $70. But remember, price does fluctuate. Case height is around 177mm, width is 90mm, and the depth is 182mm. Case does come with two 140mm silent wing fans, but there is no RGB. Be Quiet Pure Base 500 comes in 3 colors, gray, black, and white. I opted for the white one, but you can also go with gray or the black one. Be Quiet is mainly focused on building full-size computer case, but this time around they decided to step in the mid-tower market, and I personally think they made the right choice. But there is pros and cons, so let's jump in. I like the fact this case comes with tempered glass so I can show off my build. Now remember, Be Quiet Pure Base 500 is a silent case. It does come with sound dampening foam installed. Be Quiet still sticking with side mesh design air vents. I personally think there is not enough space for air to circulate, but that's really not a big deal breaker. This case still have a lot to offer. You can detach the front panel without removing the front I/O, so you don't have to worry about damaging or ripping the front panel I/O cables. Now let's look at the I/O real quick. We got 2 USB type A, power button, microphone jack, and an audio jack. There is no USB type C. Case does come with 2 top covers. I personally like the white one. Up front you can install up to 360mm AIO and also have the option for installing dual 120mm fans or 140mm fans. Up top you also have the option for installing dual 120mm fans or 140mm fans. Rear, you can install a single 120mm fan or a 140mm fan. Case does come with full PSU shroud so you can hide all your messy PSU cables. Now remember, this case is a mid-tower case, so you can go with the ATX, MATX or ITX motherboards, but there is no option for eATX boards. Right next to the motherboard tray, you will also find a removable SSD tray with Be Quiet logo. You can install up to 2 SSD or 2.5-inch hard drives. Under the PSU shroud, you will find 3.5-inch hard drive cage. You can install up to 2 3.5-inch hard drives. Rear, you have 7 PCI slot and PSU bracket, so you can easily install the PSU. Now, let's look at the back. Back panel is slightly heavy because of sound dampening foam. There is enough space for cable management, and also they included built-in Velcro so you can tie all your cables. More than enough cutout for routing cables, but there is no rubber grommet. Also behind the motherboard you can install 2 more SSD or 2.5-inch hard drive. Enough space for full-size PSU and full-size removable dust filter under the case. Overall, I think Be Quiet did a great job building this case. If you guys want me to use this case in my next build, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. There will be a product link in the video description. Don't forget to check out. See you guys next one.